Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to install Java, Eclipse and Selenium, and how to set environment variables and a basic Java program. First we need to install Java. On Google, go on Google, write download JDK free and select the official website. Now I am downloading the latest version by clicking on Windows and exe file. While our download is in progress, click on the previous link of JDK file. Is the same version I have downloaded from net, and installation is started. Click on next, then next, and wait for few more minutes. It's finished. It's click on close. Go to control panel. Click on programs, program features, and check Java is there or not. So for the Eclipse, we just go to the Eclipse site, eclipse.org, downloads packages, and click on the Windows and x86-64 package and then download. So download is in progress now. It will take few minutes. File, just extract this zip file. There is a exe. For Selenium installation, we have to go to Maven repository on the Google search, and mavenrepository.com open, and then Maven repository site get open, and in search menu just write down Selenium Java and click on search button, and Selenium Java link gets open. Click on versions and click on 4.43, and in the Maven tab select the dependency and copy that dependency. Go to Eclipse IDE, switch to the default workspace, and click on launch. Open the Maven project, and in the main src main Java there is a apps class, and in the main function I have created the object of WebDriver and reference to Chrome driver, and just open the URL, and for that open pom.xml file and add that dependency. Eclipse is downloaded and it is in zip file, so we have to extract it. Right click on it and click on extract. It will take few minutes. It's completed. Go to the Eclipse folder and eclipse.exe file. Double click on eclipse.exe file. This is change the workspace. Click on launch. Eclipse is open. Click on help and about Eclipse IDE and check the latest version yet installed. This is the way Eclipse get installed. Now I will show you how to create a Java project. Click on new project and select Java, add Java project. Click on next button. Give the name of the Java project. My first Java project. Click on configure JRE and select JDK 26.01. Apply and close and click on finish button. It get open. In the package explorer, just open first Java project. Go on src folder, right click on it, click on new class and give first Java class. And select public static void main function. Click on finish button. And this first Java class open. Go to the main function and write down system.out.println first program. Right click and run as Java application. And click on console and just check this value is coming. This value is coming for the environment variable. Just open it through the taskbar. Click on new button and write down Java underscore home JAVA in the caps. Go to go to the path where JDK file exists and copy that path and paste in the variable value and click on OK button. Now go to the path, click on edit, check Java home bin folder exists or not. Click on OK button. Now go to the same folder where JDK file exists and write down CMD. Write down echo percentage Java underscore home percentage. So this is the way Java home variable has the value where JDK file exists. Thank you guys. For the upcoming video, I will let you know about data types and variables. And so please to be continued.